Hello. Today's main lecture is about enabling system entity. So, system entities allow us to easily detect common specific pieces of information like dates, times, numbers, currencies, and etc. And among these, as anticipated in the previous exercise, locations. That's right. There is a add sys location entity that will detect locations for us. Add sys location. One that would handle any city or state, country, etc. So, in theory, we don't even need our add location entity. We could just use sys location. Well, not so fast. There are a couple of limitations here. The first one, you cannot have synonyms. For the cities detected by sys location. This is generally not a big deal, and you could create your own entity for the specific cities that have synonyms and then check for both in the dialog. And the second, fuzzy matching is not currently available for the location system entity in every dialog skill. In my experience, some Watson Assistant instances will have the ability to detect typos in the location system entities, while others will not. Generally speaking, it is worth using a system entity if one fits the bill for what you are trying to do, but if it makes your life more difficult due to your specific requirements, you are better off creating your own custom entity as we did in before. Okay, let's see this system entity in action. Let me clear the screen. To enable add sys location, click on entities. In the left menu, and then on system entities underneath. Turn on sys location. By toggling it on under the status column. Okay, so take a moment to see what other system entities exist. If you open the try it out panel quickly enough, you will notice that Watson is now training on this large list of built-in locations. Wait for it to finish training and then try entering hours for Toronto. Okay, see? Oh, sys location Toronto. See? You'll notice that both add sys location Toronto and location Toronto are detected. So far, so good. Now, try hours for Toronto. But, okay, let me make a Toronto I intentionally made a typo. Right? Which entities are detected? Some of you will continue to see both entities being detected. Others will see just location, Toronto detected. Depending on the version of the system entities deployed in your skill, behind the scenes and outside of your control, the system entity might expect an exact match for cities. So, on one hand, we get to detect other cities and locations. Like try hours for Seattle again. This location. On the other hand, the city has to be properly spelled by the user if your version of system entities fails to detect misspelling. Depending on your chatbot, one or the other is a bigger compromise. In our case, we'll take the best of both worlds by keeping both. We'll then use at location for cities in which we have a shop and at this location for other random cities the user might ask us about. It is an unconventional approach and arguably a bit overkill, but it will allow us to really fine tune our response to the user, as we will see later on in this course. Okay, this is it. Bye.